FREECOM 4 Plus is equipped with 3 easily accessible buttons and a roller, which is clickable. The front button controls music, the rear button controls phone operations, the upper button controls the Bluetooth intercom, and the roller controls volume. Press it to pause or stop whatever you're doing. Turn on your unit by pressing the media and phone buttons together.
Hello.
Use the same combination to shut it off.
Goodbye.
Now we could start by showing you how to press all the various button combinations, but with natural voice operation, you don't really need to. Hey Cardo, music on.
Music on.
Hey Cardo, next track. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status. Full.
I think we're good to go.